Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technical Tutorials. In this video we are going to see how you can install Eclipse in Windows 11 operating system. So first open your browser, then click search for Eclipse. Then here you can see the eclipse.org, the official website for Eclipse. Click on here. Then at right side you can see the download option. Click on download. Then you can see the version of Eclipse. So this version is included the Java and JRE, so you don't need to install Java externally. Then click on again download. Click on download again. So you can see the downloading is started. It will take small amount of time to download. So you can see our downloading is completed. Let's open it into folder. Now to double click on the application to install it. So you can see process is started. Here click on Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and Web Development. Here you can see the Java variable path and the location where your Java will be installed. Your Eclipse will be installed. Then click on install. Click on accept now. So it will take small amount to install the application. After installation completed, click on launch. So this is the by default path where your all project will be saved. Then click on launch. So you can see our Eclipse is installed successfully.